Hey guys, my name is Courtney, but you probably know me better as the Flipping Nomad. I flip RVs. I take big old fifth wheels with drabby, boring interiors and I transform them into gorgeous modern homes. Not only do I have a business within the RV space, but I'm also an RVer myself. I have lived in a fifth wheel full time for the last 5 years. Now, 4 years ago, I was on the quest for a new fifth wheel that had a bright and modern interior. After months of searching, I came to the realization that they just don't exist. So I built my own, and that's what sparked the business. As I was building the business, I made the decision that I wanted to only work with RVs that had good bones and that were built right. After a lot of research, all roads led to Keystone, but specifically to the Keystone, Montana. As a result of that, I now exclusively renovate Montanas. I have 2 of them under construction right now. One of them's pretty special, as it is my personal Montana. So when it's finished, I will move into it and live in it full time. The other one is also pretty special. It's a Mountaineer Edition bunkhouse. It pre-sold like they all do, so its interior design is getting customized to its new family's design taste. When all is said and done, it will be a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath showstopper. They're both at really cool points in their renovations, and I'm going to bring you along for the entire process. So let's go check them out. Welcome to my personal Montana. This one is a rear kitchen, and rear kitchens are one of my favorite floor plans because I just love the way that they flow. This one's about halfway through its renovation process, so there's still some things left to do, like the flooring, all new countertops. It's getting a residential stove, a dishwasher, and a huge single basin sink that I'm so excited about. Up here there used to be a big bank of cabinets that I took down. This is my command central, so this is how I keep all of the projects organized. This is a little workbench area that I have set up with some tools, and this is the graph of the new flooring that's going in. So now let's go upstairs. It is getting a whole new shower. I am reusing the vanity base, but I'm putting a new top on it, and I'm going with a vessel sink so I can get just a little bit more counter space. There is a big dresser going in under this window, and in this cabinet I have combo washer dryer hookups. We've got the wardrobe closet up front, and if you've ever wondered what's under a Montana bed, here you go. It's the slide mechanisms. Now I'm going with a contemporary modern farmhouse feel, and these light fixtures are a great example of that design. I also installed 12-volt USB charging ports in all of my RVs, as you can see right here. Now there's a lot that still needs to get done in this RV, but let's go check out the Mountaineer Edition. We are in the Mountaineer Edition bunk room now, and it is in its paint prep phase. So we've got a stack of cabinets over here that have been sanded. We've got another stack that's waiting to get sanded. Eventually, this is going to be the couch, and this will be the dining table. Now, back here is the bunk room, and we are doing something completely innovative back here. As you can see, it used to be one big room, but we are going to split it down the middle and turn it into 2 bedrooms. So a special space for the little girl, and a special space for the little boy of the new family. Plus, they get their own half bath. Since this rig is going to serve as the full-time home to its next family, which is a mom, dad, and 2 little kids, they need as much kitchen space as they can get. Now, we've got several ideas up our sleeve of how to expand this kitchen and make it even more functional, but we're going to reveal all of those details at a later date. Upstairs in the bunkhouse is a combo bedroom bathroom. So it has a water closet, it's getting a whole new vanity and a whole new shower. Now, since living tiny with 2 little kiddos is going to have its challenges, we are going to transform this master bedroom into a calming retreat for mom and dad. I'm very excited to have Keystone along for both of these builds. Together, we will be posting a progress update every Monday, so be sure you check back for this special edition of Montana Monday.